Hi guys, it's Joe, and I'm just gonna out and say it. I'm an influencer. It's official. Brands and businesses and companies love what I'm doing in the creative space. ATX Kit slid into my DMs. They said, Joe, it's ATX Kit. We'd love to send you an ATX Kit and have you tell us what you think of the ATX Kit. And I said, stop, ATX Kit. You had me at ATX Kit. I'd love to work with you. And you're saying, what's ATX Kit? And I'm saying, it's the easiest way to buy a 10-pack of food items for yourself while supporting 10 local small businesses. So let's open it up. Just like I opened this shirt, because I'm an influencer. Let's open this ATX Kit. Look at that. And I got an overhead camera. Oh, hello. Hi. And I'm using these various instruments here because I'm afraid to touch things that other people have touched. So let's unbox. Gently. Gotta be gentle. Ooh. Now what do we have here? That looks like pasta. And it says gourmet Texas pasta. Can you read that? Oh, this is fun. Okay. Okay. Oh! I don't know. Live wine vinegar? Raspberry flavored. Now this is salsa. Heck yeah. That says, it's hard to read through bubble wrap, but I think it says Bebas Pea Fresh. Do you think they're glad that they had me do this? This is another fragile one. Oh, I don't know what that is. That says Golden Star Kettle Corn. I wish I had friends and family to share it with. Remember the old days when you could stick your hand in the popcorn bowl and you might accidentally touch a human? To remember the touch of a human over a bowl of popcorn, that really brings me back. So, anyway, that's the popcorn. I like it. This is exciting and fun. Stroop, there it is. That was funny. That should be there. Is that their slogan? Stroop, there it is. Missed opportunity. Oh, we got another. See, this is ginger and honey, shrub shot. Live wine vinegar. I really don't know what this is. All right. Can you see that? You see that? It says blueberry cardamom. More like blueberry I should call my mom. Sourdough project. Cold fermented sourdough crackers. Excellent. Now this is funny. This is granarly. It's gnarly, but it's granola. Wait, is this another Stroop? There it is. Stroop, there that was. Golden paste. Holy sh**. Thank you, ATX Kit. Thank you, businesses. Thank you, Spatula. And thank you for making me an influencer. I think the only question I have is, what should I eat first? Okay. Holy shit. Holy crap. Golden paste.